Alright, so now we gotta remove the emblems. I know I'm a shitty cameraman. Alright, so, but first what we're gonna do is we're gonna measure them. That way, if we want to put them back on, not these ones, new ones of course, we know exactly where they go, okay? So the first one, the charger, is gonna be exactly 1.5 inches. The C starts 1.5 inches from the beginning, and it ends exactly 9 inches. Alright. Okay. And it is 4 inches high. Alright. 4 inches all the way across. Okay. Now the ram's head is 7.5 inches. 7.5 inches high. Directly above. The SRT8 logo is 4 inches as well, and 1.5 inches from that side. Okay, there it is. Simple enough. So how I'm going to remove these is I have a non-marring scraper tool that I got from Harbor Freight, and let's see if this gets underneath. Yep, it does. Look at that. Some guys will use like heat guns, things like that, but as you can see, that isn't necessary if you have the right tool, which this seems to be. This set comes in 4 different sizes. This is the third, the largest one. All right, simple enough, huh? All right, let's see if it works on this side the same. And it does. And it's nice that it's long because it can get under these long emblems. Okay? And then you can continue to use it to scrape this garbage off, which I'll do when we're done. Okay? So. See. There we go. Naked end. Now I just got to scrape all this padding off and everything else. Sorry guys, I know I'm a sucky cameraman. Alright, so you can see all this padding here. I'm going to get underneath this, scrape it off. God damn. There we go. So, and I'll scrape off a lot of this shit, but it really doesn't matter because we're sanding it anyway. Alright, so all the emblems are off. Next up will be sanding. Cool.